Bass drops got the feels. In this wonderland, we're making these moments real. Glitching through the night, stars shining so bright. With every beat we fly, touch the sky, no lies. Unforgettable motion, dancing in this ocean. Feel the epic feels, uplifting our emotions. Bunch of drums ignite, all the colors inside. With every step we take, make no mistakes tonight. Tonight, electrifying scene, lost in this machine. Our hearts beat is one, until the night is done. Unforgettable motion, dancing in this ocean. Feel the epic feels, uplifting our emotions.
And an abrupt cut. Oh. Jumpy, jumpy. Does this actually work? Works there. It doesn't work on mobile, though? Well, that's dumb. Mobile always gets screwed. Why did you switch to the camera? Yeah. I just realized that. Is it zoomed in? Nope. Nope, it's not. We're gonna have to do something different with our characters. There we go. That's better. Looks good over here.
Incoming ad break.
That's fine. Oh my. Okay, so I can toggle that back and forth there, but it does not toggle. Oh, unless... Da 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 da. Da da da.
Taco Bell has chicken nuggets. I'm not gonna lie, I kinda want Taco Bell chicken nuggets.
Yum. It does. What is untitled? We have two? Gonna need to do some organizing. Okay, we'll go back to that.
Welcome, Crippler Candy.
Hell yeah. I got 90 panda points and we got a follower.
Oh,
I'm
hey.
on an ad break, so I can
Howdy. Sorry, we just started, and I'm trying to make sure that I can toggle between that and that. I don't necessarily know what to do for mobile. I guess I'm just gonna put this here. I don't know where I'm gonna put this. It's not gonna be too used, I don't think. I'm just gonna put it there for now because I'm just gonna use gonna use that as a list. Okay, so what we need to do is figure out how to. Oh right, do me a favor. I forgot to check your mic.
Oh,
One more time.
check.
Okay, that's fine. Yeah, you must have just been blasting people yesterday. Candy's blasting. Okay, we got the game. We got the character. I need this mic to scoot a little bit more in front of my face. Thank you very much. All right. That's actually a lot better than it has been. Okay, so we have our world, and this is inverted, or is it? Oh, that feels right. That feels right.
It's playtime in the pet cafe.
Woo. Okay.
What are we working on?
Well, this is like just the starting thing, and what I need to do. Okay, I don't like that. Hold on, give me a second. What we need to do is I think I'm just going to use the default game controls here for this, because this is just, I mean, this is pretty rad in and of itself. Couldn't ask for much better than that. Maybe we'll do some climbing.
Cheeks, though.
Them cheeks. Wham! Robo cheeks. So I think the first thing that I want to try and get working is the ground. We need to create an infinite ground because all the other stuff, the instances, the collectible instances should be pretty easy. It's going to be the plane generation, and then what I figured out about mutable that I didn't like is whenever a new place regenerate or a new section, chunk, whatever you want to call it, regenerated, so if you left the view and it unrendered and then something else re-rendered, it was not saved. So when you came back to it, it was completely different. So we'll have to fix something with that as well too. So with that in mind, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of a few things that we don't need. We're going to get rid of all of this.
For those who don't know, what game are you working on in general?
Basically, came up with an idea for a game that is kind of an open world, infinite world, as it were. And I don't want to give too many spoilers away. But basically, you'll be able to. Oh, I have to navigate. I hate having to navigate like that. I can't fly with those. I might have to fix that as well. What was I saying? Right. Basically, just have an infinite world where a character walks to earn energy. That's kind of the core mechanic right there, is you have to explore. And you can't just like run around in circles and whatnot. So you have to explore, and it's in an infinite world. And then you can, with that energy, you can buy land, basically. You buy squares, and then you can build on those squares. So that's the basics. Very, very basics. What is this? What is this thing? Post-processing. It's a post-processing box. We don't need these words either. Go away, words. Get out of here. Okay, we'll keep the post-processing. We'll keep the skybox. We'll keep the lighting. That's this cube playground. We'll relabel this to world. Starters. Why? It did not let me. Do I have to do it? Let me relabel. Thank you. Blocks. Wait. What? Oh. Okay, we're getting rid of all of these. I hate you, Riley. I wanted a new soda anyways. I gotta go let the dog out. I'll be right back.
This is dumb. I was making my character try to jump and catch the star. And it was not letting me, so I'm bombing everybody.
Wasn't getting what you wanted out of it. So gonna bomb them.
I'm committing acts of terrorism.
Okay. So we're actually going to utilize this ground plane because it does have some very specific features that we need right now. That would be, it is a static mesh, which this means default root component. It cannot be renamed or deleted. Okay. Static mesh. Let's see. This has got physics on it. We've got gravity group of 0. The kinetic simulation. So we just want it to be flat. So I think I can utilize. I don't know if I want to make another one or utilize this one. This one's just here, so let's see if it works. So I want to resize it. I'm not going to do it that way. I'm going to do it over here. So it's 35. So, or 30 by 35. Why would you do that? Interesting. Let's do 1 by 1 and by a half. Okay. So this is essentially our. Why is that inverted? Okay, hold on. Where are my settings? Editor settings. Mouse. Ah, they aren't. That's why. See if I pull out, I want to go out. I'm moving this around. Just gonna move this over here. Okay. Pull in and out. Okay, well, I didn't want that inverted. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay, that feels a lot better now. I still don't know why I can't fly with the keys, but we'll just leave that for now. Okay, let's make this ground plane or box 0.1. Yeah, I just want it flat. Fliggity fliggity flat. Yes, sir. Okay. Now, we want it at 0. Now the dog wants back in.
I think I want to find a.
It's right on my.
Oh.
Oh well. You want to find? Sorry.
I want to find.
Hey. How's it going?
Oh, hello. I want to find somebody who can make a PNG to wear out a candy. Just take her as she is and then like stylize it.
Stylize how?
I haven't decided yet.
We are doing good. We're just doing a little bit of random
hungry.
stream, trying to start going on making this game that I've had in my brain for a little while. And then yeah, we're only going to be on for a little while because we got a show that we're going to go to tonight. But yeah, doing good. Wait, how did that? Oh, okay, there we go.
Oh, Kick doesn't get stream avatars?
It should. Yeah, it does.
Oh, does it? They're just so little. Yeah, they do.
Oh, that guy's a little one.
All the Pokemon are overpowering still. And we even fixed it.
Did they shrink? I don't think they actually shrunk.
No, they stayed the same.
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll just have to make the Minecraft characters bigger.
There we go. Oh, it dropped. That's a full 10? Okay. Let's get rid of that extra 1 on there. So we're going to drop it 10.
What's
Okay.
your plan, guy? Dumb guy. I like your username.
That one... What is it? That one dumb dev? I like that. Do you do Unreal?
My eyes are bad.
Okay, I want to put a... So I want this to be its own entity. Or this is going to be the ground plane. I want to... I'm trying to remember... I'm so used to Unity. Yeah, I'm so used to Unity. I actually just moved. I think it was last year, and I haven't done a lot of dev stuff, but I know a lot more about Unity than Unreal. But I'm trying to learn Unreal. Let's see. I don't think you make... or do you
It's
make
delicious
it?
cripple
I think
candy.
You do make it. So I want... Let's do this. We want to be in the content. I want my blueprint.
We better get those dang noodles and ribs tonight.
Noodles and ribs.
They're so good. And if we have
Can be
leftovers,
placed or
which I
spawned.
guarantee we will, we better put them away.
Scene component is a component that has a scene transform or can be attached to other scene components. So the ground plane will technically be an actor. So we'll call this the... Oh! You bastard.
Oh, Candy Cam is in the way of what you're doing. I was like, what are you doing?
Huh?
Oh, the Candy Cam screen is a little in the way.
Oh. No, it's not the Candy Cam. That is... Oh, sorry. You guys couldn't hear me. I'm going to toggle this real quick so it's a little bit easier. So I need to take that from the game things, and then I'll take, what is that? Visual Studio?
Incoming ad break.
Where is it? Why can't I see it? That's... What? Yeah, it's called Visual Studio. Why is it not popping up? Or am I just blind? Candy Cam. Not Candy Cam. Weird. Where did it... Which way did he go, George? Which way did he go? Bonk. Okay, I may just have to do it manually. Why is the other one on here? Wait, did I? Hold on. I'm gonna delete that. Nope. I'm gonna do that and that. Okay, yeah, I don't know why that was being wonky. So if
You're being wonky.
I change that, it's still not on there. See VS Code, but not. I wonder if it's because we started? Everything's all doubled also. It's not letting me scroll or anything. That's weird. Okay, I guess I'll just have to manually do it. Which means I need to bring it over here. Oh, whatever. We're gonna be in blueprints for now anyways. Okay. I'll worry about that later. So I want to create, first of all, I want a folder. Should have done that to begin with. Blueprints.
Man, you're beefing with the dev guy.
We're gonna call this land square. All right, let's open up our land square. Does that not show up? So dumb.
CandyBot's gonna get it. Yeah. Stupid. CandyBot's gonna get me.
Okay, if that's not gonna open, I'll try one thing here. Unreal Window 2.
Dang. Every time I've done a battle royale,
Welcome Panda
CandyBot
Candid.
or a bot has won.
Huh. Unreal Editor? No. Unreal. Why doesn't the second window pop up? Huh. I guess I'm just gonna have to let's do this instead, I guess. We'll do a screen capture.
Oh, come in, Scott Labs.
We'll do here. Yeah, we'll just do that for now. Hooah. Try and get rid of all the redundant info.
Oh no, I can't see the star.
Got it.
I know I'm chasing a thing right now. And it's gonna go away. 'Cause I missed it. Oh,
There we go. All right, let's.
here we go.
Kind of doubled up now. It's dumb. At least over there it is. Whatever. Okay. Now you can see it though. That's the important part. Okay, I want to take that cube and I want to bring it in here. Will it let me do that? No, of course not. Why would it let me do that? Can I copy it? Yes, yes I can. Okay. We're going to make a copy of that. And we're going to do that -10. So that will just be at the base itself. Okay, so we don't actually need this guy now because we brought this guy over here. This will be our floor now, and we can add all the blueprinty stuff to it. For the blueprint itself, at least for the land blueprint, we don't need it to do anything yet. But what we do need is we now need another blueprint. So let's hide this guy for now. Yep. We'll make another blueprint and we're going to call this guy wait, how? This blueprint we would have to attach to the hey Scott, sorry I just saw that. I'm making a game trying to just do an infinite floor basically. So wherever the character runs, there's always a floor underneath the character. That's what I'm trying to do right now. But basically I'm trying to make a game where a character runs or just walks around, explores. They earn energy for moving, basically. And then with all these squares of land that they pass over, they can eventually buy squares of land. That's some core functionality that we're starting with right now. I don't want to give away too much too soon. But that's where we're starting.
I'll have to do that after stream.
So this blueprint. Actually, I don't want an actor. I want this goes. I want this to be a script that goes on the player. Does that make sense? Okay, hold on. Let's think about this for a second. Maybe we'll use some cursor help here too. Yeah, let's see what cursor has to say. All right. See, I'm trying to create an infinite world in Unreal Engine 5.5, and I want to have let's see. Square. Let's see, I want to have floor blocks. Squared floor blocks. Let's see that. Flat, we'll see, flat, squared floor blocks that each have their own individual Scarlet own individual, what's the word, personality, but are made up, but are, wait, see, are just smaller pieces to the whole floor plane that generates and, or let's see, that spawns and despawns depending on how close the player is to them. So there should always be, let's see, if there were 1 meter by 1 meter and we wanted to have like 50 meters in every direction, let's see, so if each floor block was 1 meter, then there should always be 50 meters in every direction. Cardinal directions? We should just do, instead of doing like a circle, that would be a bit more I don't want to do calculations like that. We'll just say in each cardinal. It's not going to tell me. Cardinal direction. I think that's wrong. I'm pretty sure that's wrong. In each cardinal directions away from the player. Let's see if this makes sense. I might be just confusing it. Let's see what it has to say. It didn't, it got confused. I'm just gonna go. All right, we're gonna. What is it? We're just gonna go to ChatGPT. It'll know.
It'll lie.
It'll lie. Okay. Blueprint tile manager. Okay, see, yeah, I guess that's what I was going for. But does the tile manager, this act, okay, the tile manager would be an actor. So I was going around that. I was going in the right direction. Active radius 50 feet and guard each actors. Spawn tiles. Create the tiles. Static mesh. Yes, we've already got that. Then we want the tile manager. I think it's funny that it says to use a blueprint, but then it gives me like some code snippets to put in there, which is funny.
What is our cutoff time?
8.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, well, all right, I'll go with that because that's what we were going with anyways. So it is going to be an X. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Land manager.
I didn't mean to hit that, sorry.
All right, we want the land manager. Variables in the land manager is tile size, regular in tiles. Oh, range in tiles, tile class, player ref. Oh yeah, I guess it makes sense to check out the player's location, huh? Yeah, that makes sense. So it'll just sit in the world because it doesn't really matter where that sits, huh? Okay. So in my blueprint, we want some variables. Oh, that was the variables. Okay, so we want what was it? Tile size, or we're gonna call land square size. We're gonna make
Incoming
that
ad break.
float. Should we make it a float? It didn't specify. 100. 1 meter equals 100 unreal units. That's unreal, man. Dumb. Range in tiles. Range in land squares. I want to retitle that because I missed an E. But we want this.
I think it's crazy that it sounds so much like you.
E. Want that to just be a regular integer. Actually, we'll make this a regular integer as well.
What the fuck is that? But there it is.
E. That's not me. I mean, that second one was me, but the first one was not me. It was E.
Just add a little E. To you.
Tile class. So we'll do land class. And it's a class. Land square.
I'll land your mass. I'll land your
Object
square.
type land square. Okay, so it's got to be that. Then the tile map of XYZ tile reference.
Let's play. I'm ready.
Let's see. See, I'm using blueprints.
More pets, please.
You have to wait, you little
There we go.
shit.
Okay, then we want to do land map. And I want to be an, what would that be? That's a vector, right?
Vector
believe
from Despicable Me just said, "Oh yeah," in my head.
Vector. Default values, advanced. I don't know what I'm doing there. Parent class,
Yeah,
actor.
this-
Set collisions to block all. Good. Yes. Float. Ah, I was right. It was a float. So we will make it a float. Default value. I don't know where to put the default value. Units. Ah, see, I can actually set it to meters though. I don't. Default. Description, units, replication. Oh, default value. Here we go. Please compile. Oh, I gotta compile it first. 1 meter. Oh. Oh. No, I don't. That's not going to be. I'm doing this different. It's going to be an integer. It's going to be a meter. Default unit, or units are going to be meters. Integer 50. We're going to say 50. Land class. Reference that. Select your thingy. I believe we did that already, or maybe not. Oh, I would be doing that from here. Land square. What? Is that not correct? Select actor in view. Oh. What?
I do not have enough brain cells to help you.
I did not expect you to.
I know, I'm just saying.
The value of the class default is
That
not
is why
allowed. Oh.
Candy has not spoken.
I think that is. I think it's already set to that then. We'll find out. Player ref. Oh, I didn't add that. Player reference. Player controller. Object type player. The actor object reference set dynamically.
I'm gonna hug Lucy.
Get event player begins set that get player reference. How do you do that? Player ref. Oh, why? Player blind space player reference. Sequence player reference. Let's see. I see blend player ref and what was the other one? Sequence player ref. But you're seeing. Okay. Event graph get player. No, I know that, you bastard. Do I just set it to... Is it just ref? Oh my fucking god. No, let's get rid of that. Delete. Graph. Where's my graph? McGraw! Graph. Oh god. Okay. Event begin play. Get player. What did it say? Get pawn. Get player pawn. Why are you writing in SQL? That's weird. Get player pawn? What the hell is it talking about? Okay. Oh, I could have just got it. Drag the output of the pawn and cast it to your specific character class. What is my character class?
My character class is dumbass.
Okay. Start global character. I guess we're just doing it to that. Cast to Stark global character class. Character class or character? Okay. Dang it. Cast to get pawn player ref. If you... What the hell? Okay. Drag the output of the thing and cast to a specific character class. Okay, I think it needs to be to the class itself. So let's do that. Oh, right, it was Stark. Global character class. Cast failure. Cast to do that. Okay. Event begin. What are you doing? There we go. Get the character class. And start global character. Set value. Target. Wait. Nope. Maybe it was the other one. And a Stark. Oh. What was the other one? It was The other one, I just nearly threw my mouse. The other one was actually blue. Yeah, that one does an actual reference. Character class reference. I'm confused. Blue. Let's see what it has to say. So bonus tip. I don't want your fucking tips. You didn't. Purple. Yeah, that's what I thought. You could have just fucking said that. Then it says don't use the character class, even though it said use the character class. That's dumb. L dumbo. L dum dum. Ah! Okay. I want to set value. Target. Oh. Son of a bitch. Oh, wait, no. So, the character class. Oh, okay. So, player ref. And we want this to be a Stark. There we go. Okay, Stark global character reference. Got it. We want to. I want to set that. Okay, so we've got that. When this starts, it's easy. It's so easy. Oh, why didn't that work? Go, go, Power Rangers. Where is it? Oh my god, why are there so many of those? That was weird. Oh. The keybinds aren't working for that. Candy fell asleep.
Not really.
I heard you snoring. Let's see. Okay, so this will be the interesting part too.
Opportunity to use the sleepy candy.
I tried, but it's the key bindings isn't working now for whatever reason.
Sometimes it just doesn't. It was probably because it reset.
I don't know why. It's keybind to number pad. Yeah, I don't know why. Being dumb. Of course, now you're not asleep.
Oh, I'm not talking either.
Now it's working. Okay. Now we've got that.
Incoming ad break.
Okay, character reference set. We can go back to these. Okay. Now we set the player class. Begin. Let's see. Set up begin player to find that. Then do that. Call custom event. Update tiles. What? 2D vector actor empty. Oh, it's a map. We want this to be a map, not a vector. Let's do that. 2D. You son of a bitch. 2D vector 2D. Vector 2D. Vector 2D. And we want that to be empty. Land class, land square. So we already have it set to that. So we're going to compile that. We'll save it. Now, if I'm understanding this correctly, event get player, call custom event, update tiles. Okay, we don't have that yet. Create the custom event. Add custom event. Add custom event. Update land squares.
Woof. Ouch.
Oh.
Will
The heck?
you do me a favor and pull my foot on top of the other? It's pulling. Thank you. I feel like I'm dying.
Okay. Call custom event update tiles. Call custom event. Oh. Call custom event. Oh no. Update land squares. Target in land manager. Set a timer to call repeatedly. Wait. Timer by event. I feel like that's in the wrong order.
I told you it was.
Okay. Step. Continue step by step. Treat me like an idiot. Add custom. See, it did that shit backwards. Fucking stupid. I've already done that. Calculate player's current grid position. Drag in the player ref. Get actor location. Wait. In the update land squares. So in. Wait. Add custom event. Name it that. I did that. In. How do I get into it? Learn more. Magic.
Imagination.
How do I get into the... How do I get into the update land squares? Oh, to hooking up, you won't enter it manually. Instead, you make the game automatically call. No, you fucking moron. Yes, no shit. In your tile on the left panel, under My Blueprint, scroll down to Functions and Events section. Looks for custom events. Find that. Double click it. What? In the left panel. Oh, graph. Yes. How? Convert event to a function? Don't think that's right either. There's no blueprints, yo. Oh, it's under my, yeah, My Blueprints. Functions and events. Let's see, made me make an event, not a function. You fucking asshole.
Hope everyone enjoys it here. Please follow the stream.
What? How do I get into the event to add Logic. Oh my god. I feel like I'm the idiot here. What am I missing? Collapse to a function, convert event to function, alignment. Inputs? Maybe that's what it needs. Does it need inputs? Oh my god. Option B, it's already in the... nope. Unless it's talking about this. Event tick update. Dude, it's fucking dumb. You're being stupid. Let's see. Oops. There we go. It keeps saying that I can double click into it, but I can't. Oh my god. Switching. What? To add logic to the event, you need to drag off the white triangle. What? So are you saying that... Oh my god. Is that what it fucking meant? More details. Oh my goodness, it takes way too much effort. Okay, drag off and get player. Okay, can do. Don't know why you didn't fucking say that to begin with. Get. Was it player? Was it the player's? Oh my god. Player ref. Which is the variable. Player ref. Get. What? Get player ref. Oh my god. Really? Get the actor. Get actor location. Transform? Says actor location, but I guess we'll find out. Get actor location. There it is. So we're getting that. You're not dragging off of it at all. It's break. Break vector. Select break vector. Good. Drag off X. Type float. Oh, type float slash float. Why? Why? I don't want to. That's not a thing. Mm-hmm. That's not correct there. You need an integer for the grid coordinates. Okay. So why would you do that then? You would just floor it. Go floor. We can get scoot this out of here. It's a little bit in the way. And we'll do it off the Y. Floor. So we're getting the lowest rounded down values. Store as local or temporary values. Create two local variables. Okay.
Incoming ad break.
Wait, what are you talking about? Tile size. Promote to center point. Okay. Oh, tile size input. Got it. Set.
I'm hungry.
Wait a minute. Tile size into the other input. Drag. What? Oh. Dude, it is. Getting rowdy. Already have variable float right. Drag off of. Yes. Release the mouse and search for float float. There is no fucking float float. I spelled that wrong, but oh, unless it's talking about divided. Oh my god. Divide Math. Nope. Divide by divide. God. Then fucking say that next time. Okay, so we're doing it by... Nah, okay, got it. Now we're on the freaking same page. Wait, why does it want that to be a float? Whatever, we'll make it a float. Okay, boom. And we'll do the same there. Divide by the floats. Okay. Oh my god, it just gives up way too easily. Okay, now we've got that's what it literally meant by that. I'm dumb. Okay, floor, promote to... Okay, so we're gonna floor... Oops. Spell. Floor. And we'll do the same for you. And then we're going to promote. Promote to element. Can promote. What does that do? Why does it say promote? What is promote for? Scooby mother effin' do. What? Divide floor again and again. And just drag in. Promote to variable. That's not an option though. There is no... Dumb, stupid motherfucker. Why didn't you just say that? Center X. Rename center X. And we'll call the other one center Y. Set center X. Wait, is that just an integer? Oh, that is just an integer. So just make them integers. We just want them to be flat to the ground. Center. Oop. Center X. Okay, so this comes off of that. And then this comes off of that, where we set center Y. Boom, boom. There we go. We're going to put this up here. And we'll just have this fun little thing happen here. Yeah, we'll do that. No, we'll do that. Whatever, clean this up later. We can promote this to a thing. Okay. Okay, they are set. Moving on. My, oh my. Okay. Create a double for loop. You'll loop around the player from range minus in tiles and range plus in tiles with both X and Y directions centered. Okay. So for loop with break. Oops. For loop with break. Okay. First index is was it range? Range in land squares, get. But we want to minus this. How do we do that? Candy is EP again. How do I minus it? How do I make negative? I spelled that wrong. No, you son of a bitch. Subtract. Drag in the tile on variable into the graph. Right click, search, subtract. Choose drag that and do. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Subtract. Wait, no, we want that. Break that one. How do you break that one? Stop. I don't know how to how do you stop it? There we go. Subtract. Except for, damn it, I did it again. I want to do that. We want to do 0 minus that, and then that goes into there, and then this goes into that. Right? Yes. That seems to be correct. Kind of want to make those into their own functions. Let's do that. Or whatever. So if I understand that correctly, range. Okay. For loop range plus and plus inner for loop. Oh. Okay. Now loop through, let's see, name the loop input. Oh, you can name them. No, that's not what I wanted to do. Why does it say I can name them? But I just can't seem to do it. For the loop body input. Inner loop. For the loop body pin of the outer loop, drag loop body, and do another for loop with break. Loop. For loop with break. And this is the same thing. Rename index Y. No, I don't want to go into it. How do you rename? Okay, this is going to that. Ah, it itches.
Sorry.
EP candy.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we're doing the same thing for this as for this one. It's just this. It will not let me I don't know how to rename them. It didn't let me do anything there, so it's fine. So this will be X, this is Y. For the loop. Set that, rename that as Y, drag. Combine offsets with center. Okay, so these are the offsets. I really do want to rename these. How do I rename? How do I do it? I don't know. We don't need to drag center get target Y. We have new variables now. Target. Target X and target Y. Okay, target X, integer. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. Target Y, and it's an integer. Okay. Wait, drag, get, drag, add. Center Y plus offset Y is target Y. They made that really weird. Okay, center X, get offset. Oh, wait. Oh, the index. Add. No. Add. There we go. That plus that. Set target X.
Incoming ad break.
Is that coming off of that? I guess. But is it? So set divided by, wait. Center is that divided by that. That's this, right? Oh, it did not say to. Oh. See. Let's see. You made this confusing. I wrote, I did not mean divide. Well, stop doing that. Descriptions. Got it. Got it. Get the variable X. Get this object. Add the two integers together and set those as targets. I click on the make to. Oh, go back up. Okay. Create a 2D coordinate from the target values. I'm guessing. See, how do I wire the loops and the that targets? X loop into target X, then to loop Y and target Y? Or loop to target to target. They do not make these things clear. You are inside the event. What? You're building two nested loops. Okay. Drag from body loop, the outer loop, add another loop. This loop runs into every X position. Wire inside inner loop. What? From the left of the outer loop node. Outer loop, okay, so it is that. All right, just making sure. Actually, I don't want that. We want that going into that. Then we get center Y and add and then we set target Y. There we go. Oh boy. And then we make a vector 2D, make control value from vector 2D. Make vector 2D. Mm-hmm. X and Y. X, so Y and Z. Okay. We do that. And that is also that is not a func. And into the spawn event. What? Spawn event. My goodness, this doesn't just make any sort of sense. When I say spawn event, I'm referring to the custom event you'll create in the blueprint called something like. Good Lord. Doesn't make any sense sometimes. In previous steps, on the last episode of Dragon Ball Z. Check or spawn. Okay. Are we updating that? am so confused. All right, add the event. Add custom event. Check or spawn land square. Add event. What? Add custom event? Was that right? I don't think that was right. Hey. Add custom event. Mm-hmm. Select the new event node in details panel. Click on input. Input. Oop, I missed. Input. Type map. Map. Ah, savior of the grids. Bum, 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 bum. Type. What? Type. Map. I mean a vector 2D? Don't know why it keeps saying map. Vector 2 freaking D. Land square. Huh? Okay. Like new event, do that, set type to that. Okay. This input will represent the tile's grid coordinates. Check if the tile already exists. Create a variable called lamb square map. Map vector 2D value actor. Okay. I don't think that's... Create a new variable called land square map. I'm not finding map though. Map. Oh, unless they're talking, I think I... Not finding the map for type. Give me something better. Create a new in the because go to my blueprints on the left, click plus next to the variables, land map squares with the variable select dialogues. Click the variable type drop down, select to, why would you call it a fucking map then? Enable map mode. C. You were missing some fucking steps. Again. Aha. That's what it is. So it's a map of vector 2Ds on the same page. One sec. I gotta run to the bathroom. I'll be right back.
Hmm. Oh, fuck. It's my turn to get up. I need to get up and potty it out.
Alrighty. Where was I? Right. Yes, we did that there. So I'm gonna create land square map. Got it. Land map. So that's what this was supposed to be.
Incoming ad break.
Got it. Okay. Land map. So I already had one of those. Oh, so the trigger. Are we supposed to be setting those? To the right. Yes, I got that part. Once you set the key to vector, the second type drop down appears in the values. Okay. I need to go back up here. This part. So drag tile size vector multiple. Okay. Add an input. The coordinate map. Check if the tile already exists. Create a variable. Map. Got it. Drag the land map get. Drag off the pin type contains. Land map get. Contains. Use the contains key node. Drag in the coordinate. Wait, what? From at a branch node. From what are they talking about from here? On only if it's not already there. Okay, I think I understand where this is going. I don't know what it has to do with that event, though. Why is it having me create events like that? Because as it loops through, we're setting, and then we're breaking those off. I don't know when these are supposed to trigger. Call in editor. Enable this event to be called from within the editor. Don't know if I understand how those are working. But branch. Oh. Branch. If conditions, if it's true, do nothing. Drag off false. Spawn actor from class. Land square. Instigator. Instigator spawn object reference spawn for damage or other game events caused by this actor. So wait, spawn or pawn repossessable or damage. Okay. Interesting. If false, we don't need to do that. And we set return values, collision handling, Default always spawn, ignore collisions. Default spawn transform. For the spawn location. Break chords. Wait, what the? Wait, what? This needs more explanation. Break the vector 2D input. What the fuck are you talking about?
Hope everyone enjoys it here. Please follow the stream.
This transforms this to spawn the actor. Break vector. Oh, no. Break transform. Oops. Go. Let's see. Break the tie. What? You're using spawn actor land square, which is almost correct, but you need to pass transform in a transform. And right now the orange spawn transform input is empty. No shit, that's what. Good God. Break times. Break the tile coordinates. Are you saying break
open up? How many times? Oh, it's cause the fucking heavy ass.
Okay.
Candy is still asleep. You lie.
There we go. Boink. Awake. How did that get screwed up like that? Whatever. Fix it later. Fix it in post. What was it doing? Right. What? Coordinates from where, though? Scale 1, transform K. I guess we're breaking these. Although I don't understand, like, again, I don't understand public advanced input. Wait, so... Oh. Is that how that works? Use pressing the add above, add parameters. So... Are we... Right. Oh, no, that's not right either. I am hella confused. I don't like this event shit. But I'm guessing these events are Alright, hold on. I don't understand how the events are supposed to be working. How are the events triggered? I should have specified the custom events, but hopefully. Custom events are reusable logic. They are triggered by code you wrote earlier. Bullshit. How? Update event squares. This event runs every 0.5 seconds because of the timer in the beginning. What timer? This one updates. What timer are you talking? Never set up a timer. Really? If not, what? Event begin. This runs once the game starts. Yes. From the begin play, drag get player pawn. Drag off that, cast to your class. Store that in the ref. Add a timer to call. Set timer by function name. Select the node. Okay. This might have made a lot more sense earlier.
Incoming ad break.
Okay. Set timer set timer by function name. Set timer by function name. Okay. Jesus. Just leaving out steps, it's fine. Function name. Type exactly. Land squares updates. Timer 0.5. No, I said 0.5. Loop. Okay. So now that sets the loop, which apparently then triggers this.
Alright, I was gonna tell you about that. There's a new Final Destination
Oh, really?
coming out, yeah, May 16th.
Fuck yes. That's awesome.
Have to see if Angel wants to go see it too.
Okay, this makes a lot more sense now. The only thing that doesn't make sense is this. Okay.
Here's how to do it. Does it for you.
How does the check and update event get called or triggered? It skipped. I either missed it or it skipped it. I don't know. We'll cut it down into a little short. It'll seem like we'll make it look better, maybe,
Or
somehow.
when are we supposed to jump off?
Hmm.
When are we supposed to wrap up stream?
Soon, very soon. Update land squares. Now, it's repeatedly get the player location, convert that to that, loop through the thingies, go through there. Calls. Let's see, creates a 2D vector grid coordinate. Calls how does this happen? It's skipping steps. It's really pissing me off. You are skipping steps. Call the event from the white of the for loop math What? Okay, we're getting rid of this guy. Getting rid of that guy. From the white execution pin from the... that comes after the inner loop. Drag that off and search for check spawn land. Check for spawn land. That's it. If you already created the custom event, it will appear. Click. Connect the 2D you just made to the pin on the node. What the f are you talking about?
The other side? Or...
See, this is what I have now. What you described. Described. Motherfucker. Described does match. Beep boppy da boop boop ba. You've got a nested, correct. You're calculating the thingies on there. You're using the vector combined coordinates and you're calling with the output of vector 2. So the flow looks good. Except what? What's not working based on what I see? Node you're using has an input value of land or target. What? Oh. Land manager. Oh my god. Target of land, where did I just read that? Land manager. And the second input labeled map. That's not a custom event call. It looks like you're trying to refer to an object functions from another blueprint. In the same graph, right click and then it will have a red icon. Connect the white operation wire from the loop. Hmm. That doesn't make any sense. Check or spawn. That is the only one. That doesn't work. That does not work. It's doing that thing again. Okie dokie. Blah blah blah. You place an event definition in the graph, but what you need here is a call to the event, not the definition. I know that! You bastard. Okay. Call. That is the one that I had before, and you're saying that was wrong. Target is land manager. I mean, we're in the land manager, so is that not correct? Wait. Wait. But we're in the land manager. I don't know why it's targeting itself. You know what? I'm just going to go back to the other way we were doing it. Like this, because this makes more sense. And then this will go... yeah. This is will break. Break vector. Transform. Make transform. Okay, that'll go there. You can leave those there. Make vector. Go there. Do that. Yay. Okay, that should do the thing. Alright, I guess let's see if this works or not. So we just need to add the land manager. Can I not add the land manager? Here we go, land manager. Managing all that land.
Look out, it's the HOA.
Alright, here we go. Oh, and the player just falls. And it crashes. Uh-oh. Spaghettios. It didn't like that, and now it won't stop. Well, I broke it. Yay. Oh, hey, look, it created the land squares, though. Maybe I should start with one underneath the character. It's just flipping out now because... How much is 50 times 50? Tried to make 10,000 squares. 25,000 squares? Ooh. Is that correct? Is my math correct on that? No, it's just 2,500, right? 50 times 50? Um, 50 times 50 is... Yeah, I was right. 2,500. So just 2,500. You can stop at any moment now. That would be great. I broke it. Yay. Did I save? I did save. Yeah, I'm gonna have to... I think I'm gonna have to close it. We're gonna have to make it stop. And speaking of stopping, we're gonna stop here because we have to go do other stuff. So, if you stuck around for this, thank you. We'll be doing this again. We'll see what happens. I'll try and fix this little bug, and yeah, we'll hop on another time to do more stuff. We'll be back tomorrow night to play some video games, probably some Minecraft. Maybe. Oh. Save select. Did it stop? Yes, save selected. Yay. It broke. That was fun. We got it to do something, so. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this. We'll catch you guys tomorrow, and hope you guys have a good rest of your morning, evening, whatever you're doing. Bye-bye.